Let me ask you something. How many headlines have you read this week telling you that AI is coming for your job? Stop. Just stop listening to the people selling you fear because here's the truth, and the truth is more boring and a whole lot more useful than anything they're trying to scare you with. That's exactly what we just covered in this webinar. 5 truths, 5 game changers built for mission driven organizations like yours. Let's start. Truth number one: AI is following the same hype cycle as every tool before it. Remember, computers were supposed to end paperwork. How'd that work out? Every desk got a printer. We're drowning in more paper than ever. New tool, same human pattern. Don't fall for the script. Truth number two: AI is a hammer. A fast one, maybe 20 times faster than the one you had. But a hammer doesn't know which wall needs fixing. It doesn't care about the family living inside the house. You do. That's the difference. And that difference is everything. Truth number three: AI hallucinates, it forgets, it gets confused, it makes things up to sound helpful because that's how it was trained. So, what's the fix? Listen close. Small tasks, trusted sources, clear systems, lock it in tight, and it works for you instead of against you. Truth number four: here's the one they don't want you to hear. Your experience can't be automated. Your judgment, your presence, your relationships, the community knowledge you carry because you are there on the ground, none of it can be replaced. And get this: corporate America went all in on automation, and now they're scrambling to hire those people back. The thinking people, the human people, people like you. Truth number five, and this is the big one. You decide. Not the influencers, not the hype, not the fear. You. You decide whether AI takes the busy work off your plate, the drafting, the summarizing, the organizing, so your team can get back to the mission, or whether it becomes one more distraction. Every hour you save is an hour back in the community, back building relationships, back solving the problems only humans can solve. That's the power move, and it's sitting right there in your hands. So here's what I want you to do. Don't let this be one more webinar you nod along to and forget by Friday. We put everything together for you: the truths, the tools, the how to, the way to get your team started with AI without the hype and without the fear. It's all waiting for you in one place. Go to influential.us. That's influential.us. That's where you'll find the links, the resources, all of it. Grab it, put it to work, and take back your time. This isn't AI replacing you. This is AI making you 20 times faster at the work that was never yours to begin with. What will you do with the time you just got back? Go find out. Influential.us. We'll see you there.